It's a beautiful day for a picnic. Fruit in sunshine.
Wow.
What could be better? Delicious. But there seems to be something missing. A cozy tent is just what you need for complete happiness.
No.
So, where do I start? How about this? Or this? No, it still doesn't really feel like a tent.
no.
Yeah, expectations and reality didn't match up.
Hello?
Hello, Lily. Help me out. I need a nice little house. Literally 3 by 3 feet. Come as fast as you can. Lily the builder is here. The tools are ready. What needs to be screwed and sawed here? The construction crew is here. Wow! What would I do without you? It's nothing, bestie. The board is a little big. I need a smaller house. Leave it to a professional. Let's saw the board along the plain lines. What do you think? Fantastic! That rail should be shortened a bit. Said and done. That's much better. Perfect! Let's glue slats around the perimeter of the wooden wall. Turn the structure upside down and screw it in. I love my screwdriver. 1, 2, 3. I think we need a door. I totally agree. Let's mark out the doorway and drill points at the corners. Great! You have been a great help. Jigsaw, come here. Let's cut out a rectangle. Ta-da! Good start. Now let's install all the pieces we're missing. The floor and the walls are ready. And what's a house without a roof? Voila! The roof is in place.
Wow.
The frame is ready. And that means it's time to start painting. I'll make a stencil. And I'll take care of the paint. Cut a wavy bubble ornament out of cardboard. Wow! How airy! Let's paint the front green. The important thing is not to miss anything. Put on a cardboard stencil and spray it with blue paint. We get a stylish tile effect. The acrylic marker will help highlight the details. Wow! Look how cool the scales are! And who says construction is boring? So, time to do some interior decorating?
Let's go.
I propose we make a secret cot right on this wall. We'll need a sheet of foam rubber and a soft plaid. Let's attach the foam rubber to the wall. Done!
Wow.
Just look at this cuteness. So soft. Let's cover the wall with a fluffy blanket. Wow! This is my favorite spot now. It's good, but it could be better. Hey, Beth! Look what I got! A whole roll of wallpaper! Wow! What a beautiful drawing! The balloons are so romantic! And I think they fit perfectly here. Secure the wallpaper with a furniture stapler. Boom! 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 And it's done! Wow! I love it! So, what else? By the way, how about some furry corners? They'll keep us safe. Wow! That looks really cute! Great job, bestie! Oh, what about the floor? I thought of that too. How do you like this nice rug? Lily, it's just a delight. You know what else you could add? What's that? Hey, where are you going? A plastic window. Let's attach it here and here. Knock, knock. Anybody home? Wow! It's like I'm inside a soap bubble. Uh-oh! Urgent call. Lily has a very busy schedule. Hello. Yes, I'm on my way. Sorry, but this town needs another awesome house. Too bad. I'm going to miss you. There's no time to explain. It's time to get cozy. An LED strip is a great solution. Now that's a cool vibe. You can never have too much makeup. Betty is a real beauty-holic. Yeah, that's not right.
Oh.
Hey, what about making an ultra-fashionable makeup organizer? We'll take a couple of disposable plates. Wow, magic! Fold and cut into a crescent shape. Glue the halves together. And now paint the workpiece in space blue. Let's put blotches with hot melt glue and add some glitter.
Okay.
Work fast before the glue has time to set. Easy and simple. The next step is paper ribbons. Hang space moons on the ribbon, like this. Real magic! And most importantly, made with my own hands. Now there's a place for every paintbrush.
Wow.
And your favorite glitter won't get lost in the mountains of makeup. Betty can't find a comfortable position. Oh, where's this stuff coming from? That's new. And if you think about it, it's a great idea. Let's draw a sketch on a cotton pillowcase. Then cut it out. A thread and a needle come in very handy. So the cut edges together. Fill a pillow with weightless padding. Now that's what I'm talking about. A pillow for the real beauty princess. And to make the pillow even prettier, let's add decor. Cut a garland out of a foam sheet. Glue it to the top of the crown. And how can you do without sequins? Done! The queen would be jealous of this pillow. Here we go. I can rest now. Not very comfortable.
Oh no.
There's a solution! Betty's house is also a transformer. Good thing it can be turned upside down. Put the cabin on its side and discover a chic chill zone. Wow! There's so much room! Here's to the sound and healthy sleep. Well, actually, it's still early for bed. But it's time to watch some fun Troom videos. Yeah, a laptop on your lap is not a good idea. How about a hanging shelf? That should work. There was a vegetable drawer here somewhere. Bingo! And the corners will be a solid support. It's a good thing Lily left her screwdriver. Done! Now you can put the laptop down. Wow! I haven't seen that video yet. But Betty's perfectionism keeps her busy. You guys are so cute! Let's decorate the shelf with bright pom-poms. You have to be very careful with the hot glue gun. Attach the colored decor on the whole surface of the shelf. And now let's decorate the shelf with a rainbow braid. Very pretty! The favorite Troom channel is the best cure for a bad mood. What time is it? It's yummy time! Eating chips out of a pack is so boring. A holiday cap is the answer. Let's use it as a container for chips. Halfway there. What's next? It's very simple. We put the rope through the holes in the cap and hang the organizer from the ceiling. All that's left is to fill all the empty containers with crunchy treats. Bon appetit, Betty! Betty got tired fast. Construction takes so much energy. Sweet dreams, Betty. I wonder how long I slept. Time to do her beauty routine. I need to freshen up. The mirror is tiny. But there's no problem Betty can't handle. Pretty good. Perfect angle.
Wow.
I have an idea. You'll need shoelaces and a piece of eco fur for this one. Give the fur a fancy shape. Cut a window for the mirror. Make cute paws from a glittery foam sheet. Glue them to the fluffy monster. Add teeth and eyes. A lot of eyes. Hang the mirror from the ceiling and it's done. Putting makeup on while lying down? Now makeup is not only beautiful, but also comfortable.
Wow.
It's time to invite guests to the housewarming party. Wow, Betty, this is unreal. You are so clever. This is amazing. I have to take a picture of this. Yes, I know. I did it all myself. Oh, it's starting to rain. Hurry up and take cover. Who cares what the weather is like when you have the whole house to yourself? And the rain looks nice through the window. Yay! The girls' night is saved. The forecast is saying we are gonna have an awesome movie night. So much fun in such a small space.